Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will check on the selector CSS. CSS selectors are one of the most powerful and fastest ways to locate elements in Selenium. Instead of relying only on ID, name, CSS selectors allows us to target elements based on their attributes, classes, and structure. Modern web applications like Cogmento are built using dynamic HTML and CSS selectors, provided a flexible and reliable way to locate elements even when the attributes change. In the real automation framework, CSS is often preferred over XPath because it is faster and easier to maintain. Here we can see an example where we are finding the elements by using CSS selector. So once we use by.CssSelector, selector, we will provide the parameter and this is coming from the element. Once we try to run the application, what we will see is it will be navigated to the login page. It will enter invalid credentials and click on login button. And if you want to see the CSS selector, this is how you can see. If you see here, we can see CSS selector which has been used for to find the input element name email. And if you want to see, you can try to search the same using the CSS selector in the dev tools of Chrome browser. Here if you see, this is how input will be used by using the CSS selector. CSS selector is used to identify using the HTML element and also the class and also the name attribute properties. Whatever properties we see, that will be used in CSS selectors. This shows that CSS selectors can precisely target elements in modern web applications. If you see login completed using CSS selector, but we just click on the login button, since their credentials were invalid, it failed. In the next video, we will see how to build CSS selectors using ID and class. Thank you.